So you want to change your brightness in Windows 10 and you don't know how. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you in this video how to change your brightness in Windows 10. So I have actually two ways for you. The first one is very simple. I'm gonna show you right now. Here is the action bar. You see these things here, don't worry about them. You just go here to the kind of looks like a chat box. You click here. These are where your notifications will be. But you don't worry about this, because here is gonna be your change brightness. There's gonna be probably a slider here and you can change your brightness with that slider. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the picture right here, how it's gonna look for you, probably like that. Okay, so now that you saw it, this is how it's gonna look like for you. So the second way is actually still very simple. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be. So the first thing first, we are gonna go here to the start menu. We are going to go here to the settings. We are going to go here to the system. We are go here to the displayed menu and we are going to go down here to advanced display settings. Now I don't have it here, but actually you're going to have yours probably here around here somewhere, a slider with the brightness control where you can change it. So I hope this tutorial helped, because it's not that hard really. So if you want to change your brightness, these two options are right here right now. They are very good. One of them definitely will work. So I hope this video helped you and I see you soon.